Why do operating systems have so many common errors? Imagine your computer as a busy city with roads, traffic lights, and workers all trying to do their jobs smoothly. Now, think of the operating system as the city's traffic controller. It has to keep everything running without crashes or jams. That's a big task, and it's why errors happen so often. Operating systems are complex software systems that manage hardware like your processor, memory, and storage, along with software and user commands all at once. Because they juggle so many things, mistakes are bound to happen. One common cause is corrupt or missing system files. These are the essential pieces the operating system needs to work properly. If they get damaged or deleted, maybe from a bad update or a power outage, the system can become unstable or crash. Driver problems are another big issue. Drivers are tiny programs that help the operating system talk to hardware devices like printers or graphics cards. If a driver is outdated or incompatible, it can cause hardware to malfunction or even crash the whole system. Software conflicts also lead to errors. Sometimes, applications or updates don't play nicely with the operating system or each other. This can cause slowdowns, freezes, or crashes. In Windows, there's a special database called the registry that stores configuration settings. If it gets corrupted or has wrong entries, it can cause serious problems. Malware and viruses are malicious software that can damage system files, steal data, or disrupt normal operations, leading to errors. Hardware failures are another big factor. Faulty memory chips or hard drives can cause errors that show up as system crashes or freezes. User mistakes also play a role. Accidentally deleting important files or changing critical settings can destabilize the system. When many processes try to use the same limited resources like memory or processing power, the operating system can become overwhelmed. This is called resource conflict, and it can cause slowdowns or crashes. Different operating systems like Windows, macOS, and Linux share many of these error types, but they handle them differently because of their design. For example, Windows relies heavily on a centralized registry, making it more prone to registry errors. Linux uses text files for configuration, which can be easier to fix but might requiring more technical knowledge. To keep errors at bay, it's important to regularly update your operating system and drivers, run antivirus scans, and be careful when installing new software or hardware. Understanding what causes these errors helps in troubleshooting and keeping your system stable. So, the complexity of managing so many hardware and software components is why errors happen so often in operating systems.